Most people think of drone and UAV as a military technology or a tool for aerial photoshoot. But drones have gone beyond these applications and are increasingly being used in various commercial activities, from land surveys for highway to pesticide spraying for the crop, and even delivering of food from restaurants. According to a July 2021 BIS research, the drone sector in India will reach a turnover of 1.81 billion by 2026. In comparison, the global market of drone is projected to touch 41 billion by 2026. There are many established companies as well as startups working in the domain. Some of the top Indian companies involved in the design and manufacturing of drones are HAL, Skylark, Paras Aerospace, Throttle Aerospace, Asteria, Garuda Aerospace, Enord, etc. In addition, large IT companies and established aerospace firms are also working in the domain, including Google, Amazon, Airbus, Raytheon Technologies, and Boeing. The growth of the sector will open opportunities for engineers across the value chain: product development, hardware and software, manufacturing, original equipment manufacturing, and component supplies, physical infrastructure development for landing and takeoffs, navigation and traffic management, drone operations services and maintenance, and other support services. Mechanical engineers will have a special role to play in this industry. They will have the opportunity to work across the value chain, developing software and control, manufacturing parts and assembly, to even working as a drone operator and technician. Let's talk about drone design and development, which includes both hardware and software. You will have the opportunity to work in both aerospace and IT companies. Here's how you can prepare and get involved in the industry of the future. Number 1. Strong fundamentals. It starts with strong fundamentals. You must have a strong foundation in the basic mechanical engineering, dynamics, structures, fluid mechanics, manufacturing, etc. The ability to solve problems through the design must be refined. Knowledge of CAE softwares will also add advantages. Number 2. Cross-functional knowledge. Only knowledge of mechanical may not be enough. To meet up with the future demands of the job, it is necessary to have cross-functional knowledge of coding, control engineering, data analysis, and electronics. Knowledge in all these fields will make you more desirable to the company. Number 3. Special training on drone design. A growing number of schools are creating drone technology certificates and degree programs. Many companies like My Social Capital offer personal mentorship and masterclass to learn practical skills from industry experts. Taking up internship and getting a certification may also be helpful. Number 4. Soft skills and personality traits. Soft skills, also known as common skills or core skills, are skills that are desirable in all professions. These include critical thinking, problem solving, public speaking, professional writing, teamwork, leadership, professional attitude, work ethics, etc. Build your skills. Be a team player, communicate effectively. These skills will make you competitive in any industry. If you found this video very informative, then please consider liking this video and also subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch more videos like this, click on the playlist link given in the description. Also, if you are looking for a mentorship program, visit our site mysocialcapital.in/register. On My Social Capital, you will find industry leaders who can help you with your career. So hurry up and register now. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.